The gardens at Texas A&M University Part 1 construction of the 7-acre Leach Teaching Garden is on schedule, which encompasses the site work, storm drainage, and utilities. In late September, the main water line was laid. This supplies the domestic water to the pavilion and a water source for the irrigation throughout the gardens. Also, electrical connection to the main power source was established. A heavy rainstorm back on Friday, October the 14th, slowed the construction for a few days, but overall, progress is still on schedule. We are wrapping up reviewing the Leach Teaching Gardens Part 2 100% construction documents. Part 2 includes the pavilion, pathways, irrigation, and landscape plantings. These documents will be issued for bidding in November.